No, we don't sell Starbucks here. Hey, welcome to the Weekly Thruster. We're sharing some protein.
Sponsored by
here.
Driven.
Smart. Yep. You pre-wadding it?
Yeah.
You gonna work out today?
Oh, of course.
How many hours are you gonna work out today?
I don't know. A lot.
Okay.
Driven.
I felt left out.
What do you have?
Take a hit.
Take a hit.
Wow. I'm surprised you actually did that. Okay. So, welcome to the Weekly Thruster. I'm Mike.
Chad.
Keanu.
Forgot his
Keanu.
name.
Forgot my
Yeah. Did you know you make funny faces during this when we rewatch
do?
it? Yeah, just kind of like that one. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about one of the coolest things that we offer here at Ergo, and little member benefit. It is Beyond the Whiteboard. Look at that. You like how it? Woo! Ah! So what is Beyond the Whiteboard? It is our workout log, and it's all done digitally on your phone here. We're going to kind of go through some of the really cool features of Beyond the Whiteboard. But why do we want to use Beyond the Whiteboard?
Multiple reasons. It logs your scores so you can keep track of them. And it's kind of like social media for everyone, for our members too.
Social media.
Yeah, because you could talk to each other. You could like their...
We're going to talk about that.
Workouts.
That is a really cool feature.
You got it?
Yeah, I got mine up. So let's show them. What do we got? Boom. There it is. Right. Let's switch these here. Voila! All right, gather in. All right, so this is what it looks like on your Beyond the Whiteboard. So real basic, you're going to sign up for this on the website. You can't do it in the app. So if you download the app to your phone, you really need to go to beyondthewhiteboard.com, and the code is Ergo386. It's on the whiteboard here. If you have any questions, any of the coaches can get you logged in here. But this is what your intro screen is going to look like. And all of our workouts are, go right here, are already programmed in here.
Oh.
So today's workout is right here. Look at that. So you can kind of have an idea on your phone what the warm-up's going to be, what the workout for the day is going to be. And to log your workout, it's as easy as, I don't think people can see that. Let's
Covered over the Weekly Thruster.
Let's get rid of that for a second. All right, there we go. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, we're still on the Weekly Thruster. Okay, you're just going to hit the log button. And when you come in here, and you like, say I didn't use the 20-pound ball. Let's say, I'm Jace, and I'm going to use the 14-pound wall ball. Oh, hey, Jace, when did you get here? Right?
Want to be in the video?
Yeah.
No? Okay.
So we're going to, and now it's not working, right? So we're going to tap it, and then I'm going to change my 20. It really doesn't like this right now. Of course, because we're live. So I'm going to change that to a 14.
There you go.
And I'm going to save that.
Save movement.
Wow.
I like the bottom part of it too. Met Pukey.
Anyway, it's locking up. So then I'm going to put my time in here.
Oh, there you go. It went.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
did I do it as prescribed, or did I modify it? Where'd it go?
Where?
Of course, this is a great demo. Yeah. Wow. It's because we're live.
Yeah.
So you can put workout notes in here, right? I like to type in how it felt, any modification I made. If you puked, definitely check that. We don't have a lot of people doing that here.
Weight
but,
vest.
A few.
yeah, if you had a weight vest, if you videoed it and you uploaded, a lot of really cool
That would
things.
be really cool if we made everybody do that.
A lot of really cool things.
Video.
So what's cool is now we have this here, and we can take a look at, hey, I did a workout here on the 10th. And right, there we go. So we did that 5-round kettlebell burpee workout, and then you can see it. If I need to modify it, click here, I can kind of get back into it. But this is how you can kind of go back and see what you did before, right? So next feature is if you want to check out your training days here, a lot of really good geeky stuff. and you can see here's all the little check boxes of what days you worked out. So you're able to check your consistency. If you're not getting results that you want, well, you've only come in 1 day a week. Go to last week's weekly thruster for more info on consistency. And this is the feature that Chad was talking about. We got squads. So you can come in here. I really like this one. I encourage you guys all to do this. This is pretty cool. So you click on activity and we can see, hey, Keith completed this workout today and he finished in 6 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give Keith a clap, right? Yay, Keith. And I'm going to come in here. Right, and then I'm going to give Keith a little encouragement right there. So now Keith's going to come in. It's going to pop up on his phone. So it's like a virtual fist bump. We all do the high fives in here and the fist bumps, and it's pretty cool to come in here. Yeah, fist bump, right? Natalie, fist bump, right? I think it's pretty cool, right? So I like the squads. You guys should like the squads as well.
That's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Another thing that I think fitness level. Obviously, I'm not very fit. I'm only a 45 out of 100. But what it's really cool is if you can kind of see here, it shows you what you're really good at. It shows you maybe some of the stuff you might need to work at. Oh, big surprise, endurance. I got a score of 3. Because if anybody knows me, I'm the world's greatest runner.
Your accuracy is pretty high.
Yeah.
I own that, so.
Right? So, this is pretty cool. So as you log your workouts, it keeps a lot of data on you and can show you where you want to work at, what you're good at, all that great stuff. Let's see. And it will also track your 1 rep maxes, 3 rep, 5 rep as you input, which is pretty cool for all the major lifts. And did you guys know that let's say next week we have a workout with a overhead squat, and it says to use 70% of that overhead squat. Well, since I have an overhead squat in here at a 1 rep, it's going to suggest the weight that I'm going to use for that workout, right? So it does a lot of good things. The more you use it, the
less you have to think.
The less you have to think. So it's really going to do a very good job of training, keeping track of what you guys are doing here in the gym. So it's a valuable tool. It is absolutely free. It is included in your membership. But if you guys want to geek out on this stuff, talk about Beyond the Whiteboard, we're here. So anything else, guys? Did I get it all? There's a lot more to it.
I think there is a lot more to it. It tracks everything, and at the end of the year, it gives you like stats too. Correct?
Yes.
At the end of each year, I believe. And that's a pretty cool thing.
Yeah. So, all things Beyond the Whiteboard, come talk to us. Thanks for joining us today on the Weekly Thruster. And I think we made it through the whole show without being weird or awkward or...
Till now.
Wow. Does that hurt?
What?
When you make that face?
That's my normal face.
Not you. Yeah. Okay. We'll see you guys next week. Make sure we hit the button for real this time.
And.
Okay.
And.